The title of our electrical tutorial number 4, it is a one lamp controlled by two one-gang two-way switch. So this is one gang and two-way switch. We will use two pieces of one gang and two-way switch for our lesson number 4. So first procedure, we will do the connection like this. There is a one lamp, and then it composed of 3 wire here line, 3 lines also for here, and then one line. So just identify for every line. So this is now our C common. So or line. This is our line, and then if this is 1. This is number 1. We will connect it to number 1 switch. Number 1 label of the switch. Number 1 to number 1. So meaning here it is number 1, and then we will identify the equivalent. The equivalent as number 1 also. So this is number 1. So look for equivalent number 1. So 1 is to 1. And then number 2 wire, the second one, the second procedure, it is to identify number 2. So where is number 2? This is number 2. So this is number 2 line, so we'll connect it again like this. Okay, so 1 equivalent to 1 and 2 equivalent to 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2. So don't be confused. There is a label here. So 1 equivalent to 1, and then this is 2 equivalent to 2 also. So there is a label here there is a label here stated that 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2. Okay, so two-way switch. So this is two-way switch. And then the common of this, so 1, so where is the 1? So there is this is a 1. So make sure about the number. So we will insert it to 1 and then tight. Okay, like this. So again, I repeat, number 1 line, number 1 equivalent to number 1, and then number 2 equivalent to number 2 also. And then this line, it is going to L, this. For the line going to lamp. So this one. Okay. And then this C, this equivalent C, it is from our main line or the line or phase. So we will connect now. Okay. Okay, so let us now consider this principle. So the principle behind this, by the way, from the title itself, one lamp controlled by two pieces of one gang, two-way switch. So this is one lamp. Then this is one gang, another one gang, and then it is a two-way switch. So meaning the title, it is one gang or one lamp composed or controlled by two pieces of 1 gang two-way switch. So let us now connect to the main supply. So this is now our neutral, and then we will connect the equivalent for our line. This is our line, then this is our earth. Then we will connect now the supply from the company line, or the supply from the electric company, considering that this is the electric company line or supply. Okay, so the objective, by the way, of this, if you have stairs, so if you are in the ground floor, you will turn on this, and then when you are already in the first floor, you will turn off. So let us try. So turn on, okay, like this. So the title, as I've said before, one lamp controlled by two pieces of 1 gang, two-way switch. So considering that you are in the ground floor, so you will on the switch, and then you will go upstairs. When you are already in the first floor, you will turn off. So reverse, when you are in the first floor, you will turn on the light, and then when you are already in the ground floor, you will turn off the light. So again, this is experiment or tutorial number 4. The title is one lamp controlled by 1 gang two-way switch. So meaning you will turn on here, and then you will turn off here. You will turn on also here, you will turn off here. So again, take care and keep safe.